Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Razor e200, e225, e300 electric scooter and you need to replace the battery. Now you might know you need to replace the battery, but you also might be here because your batteries are not holding a charge, or they're not charging, or you're not getting any power out of your scooter. You may need to replace the battery, and replacing the batteries is actually quite a bit cheaper than getting a new scooter, especially if you buy an aftermarket battery. So if you have any of those models, I'll actually go ahead and put a link in the description to where you can get a cheap battery pack. It's actually a 2-pack that goes in, you'll see when we go through this. It's about 45 bucks and the shipping is free on it, and it will be your scooter will be like brand new in terms of its power. So it's really easy to do. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get the batteries. And once you have the batteries, we're going to just go ahead and come in and remove this top part of the base of the scooter. And there's 8 screws that you need to take out. You need to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out. And then these 2 are with a 4mm Allen wrench. If you don't have one of those, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get one. But you actually got one with your scooter. Once you take all those screws out, then that whole base will just pop right off and you'll be faced with this. And your 2 batteries are right in here. So there's just this bracket that's holding the batteries in. So again, you're just gonna take these 2 screws out here, and that will free up your batteries. And then once your batteries are free, you're just gonna turn them up like this, and there's some silicone kind of glue adhesive holding these terminals on here. We just need to pull these 2 terminals off, pull these 2 terminals off of these batteries, take our old batteries out, put the new batteries in and attach them here, and then just go backwards and put our brackets back on, put our top back on, and we're done. So anyways, I hope this video helped. If it did, if you'd leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.